Base 44 review in 2025. Is this the no-code builder you should use for your next project? So I tested it myself and here's everything you need to know. So make sure to like and subscribe. Base 44 is marketed as a futuristic no-code builder powered by AI. So after trying it, here's what stood out. So first, the pros. The AI-driven UI generation is seriously impressive. You can just describe what you want, like a pricing table with testimonials and sign up button, and it instantly builds it. It also has great export options for developers who want clean code. The interface is fast, slick, and beginner friendly. And now for the cons. While it's powerful, the platform still lacks deeper back-end support like logic workflows or database integration. And there's also a bit of a learning curve when you're using advanced prompts. And lastly, the free plan is very limited in terms of exports and project slots. So as for pricing, you can get a free trial, but serious use cases will need the pro plan, which starts around $19 a month and with additional cost for extra export formats and custom domains. So, if you're a designer, marketer, or even a solo dev who wants to launch faster, Base 44 might be worth a try. So just be prepared to pay for its more useful features. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.